With the Welsh Music Prize just around the corner, radio presenter and DJ Hugh Stevens tells us about some of the hopefuls ahead of the event.
The Welsh Music Prize is an award ceremony and a prize given to the best album made from Wales or by Welsh musicians around the world every year. So 12 albums are on the shortlist, and then one album is declared the winner in the big ceremony in the Coal Exchange in Cardiff. Every year we invite jury members to come and have their say, which make up the 12 albums. If anyone watching wants to join the Welsh Music Prize jury list, we'd love to have you involved. And then about 10 judges choose the winning album then. People who run Spotify, Reading Festival, people from within the music business and industry in Wales, they all have their say on the one album that's declared the winner. So since the first year we've had Griff Rhys winning, Future of the Left, Gwenno, The Gentle Good, Joanna Gruesome, lots of brilliant winners over the years, and Cardiff band Boy Azooga won last year. Yeah, there's no rules about the 12 albums that end up on the shortlist, so they could be sung in Welsh or English, it could be any genre, it could be indie or metal or folk or dance. There's two really strong kind of urban rap records on the shortlist this year by Cardiff artists Dyer and Lucas J. Rowe, which is exciting, some great folk albums on there. So it's an eclectic list and it shows how much brilliant music is being made in Wales.
Been talking to myself at night 'cause I feel like something just ain't right.
It's a tough job getting the shortlist down to 12 albums, but that's not up to us and we don't decide the winning album, the judges do every year. So really it's a celebration of all the albums and the 12 on the shortlist. So on the night in the Coal Exchange everybody gets together and has a nice time, and then one album is declared the winner. But it's a celebration of the whole Welsh music scene. I think the Cardiff music scene is healthy at the moment. It's full of surprises. You never know what's going to come from where, but I think with Clwb Ifanc Bach and the Soon Festival, Spillers and Kelly's, and a lot of hard-working people like Minty and Minty's music gig guide, you know, bands come through like Buzzard, 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 Panic Shack more recently, new names, which I think it's just really vibrant. There's a lot of little pockets of excitement going on. So I'm always listening out for new sounds from across Wales. And in Cardiff, there's always a consistent amount of exciting stuff coming through.